Louisiana Grill. I'm going to show you how I clean it out. It's gotten pretty dirty. I haven't cleaned it for about 3-4 cooks. So I'm going to clean it out and show you how we do that. The first thing I do is I turn it up to 600 degrees and let it burn everything off as much as possible. And then what we're going to do, we'll let it cool down, and then we'll vacuum the ashes out of the bottom of it with the wet dry vac. So we're going to let that heat up, and then we'll be back to show you what we do next. So we've got it heated up. It's been running for about 20-30 minutes. It's about 550 degrees according to the thermometer here. So then what I do when it gets good and hot, I'm going to turn it off so it can start to cool down. And then I take a wet rag. See how easy you wipe that shelf off when it's nice and hot. How that stuff just comes off of there. Just be a little careful you don't burn your hand. So you kind of have to move fast. But I just go over it and wipe the whole thing down. Cleans it off pretty good. If you get it warm like this, all that grease and crap on there, you don't have to use any cleaners or anything to clean it. You just wipe it right down and cleans everything off that is new. Take your dry one and dry it off after. Spots it doesn't dry on its own. But I'm just going to finish wiping this down, and then once it cools, we'll show you how we clean the ashes out of the inside. It's cooled down, so we just take our wire brush, brush these grapes off. Since that's cooked, everything just falls right off them. Like so. Take these, set them out of the way. So next, this comes out. See the mess that's on there. What I do with that, I'm just going to take it over here in the dirt. I have this plate for the searing on this grill, which is kind of nice because once that, you can just take this like that, get the majority of it off, at least enough of it that it's not nasty, and that's ready to go back in. Set that to the side for a minute. Get our vacuum here, and just, if you look down in here, show them down in here. You can see all the ashes that are down in here. So we're just going to vacuum those out. Then if you pull this out, turn this back on, then you can get down in here and suck the rest of these out of here. Suck everything up.
Okay.